This is soft body acrylic paint on canvas. I'm trying to create a Payne's gray, light gray background with some suggestion of water movement or circles in the background. We've layered more Payne's gray and white, and I'm using a hairdryer to dry this canvas in between. Here we're trying to create the suggestion of ripples or light bouncing off of the surface water. For some of the dark spaces, I used black soft body paint, but I also added water, so it's almost like a transparent black. When I was painting the koi fish in the pond, I had to avoid painting what I wanted to paint versus what I actually saw in the photo reference. And on the video, this color looks almost like it's a white, but it's a bit more of a blend between white and Payne's gray. So it's kind of a grayish white. Around the darker negative spaces, I needed to create like a small outline all the way around each of these small dark spaces. These extra highlights seem to give like a more realistic look to the darker spaces in the pond.